Tell you about our yeah.
Creating watermarks in Canva. To get started, we're going to hit the text tool and add a heading. For today's example, we're going to be using ABC Books, and like any copyright, we do not want anyone to copy. So this is basically our text, and we're just going to change the font size down to 25 points, and then we're going to copy and paste ABC Books do not copy over and over and over again. You can widen the text box to make sure that all of your text fits, but just Control-C, Control-V until you fill the page with your company name or book name and do not copy. You can highlight once you've got a big paragraph and then just copy and paste the paragraph over and over again. I'm going to move this paragraph to the center of the page, and then I'm going to align it justified just so that it looks even, and go into line spacing and move the line spacing all the way to 2.5. Now, most copyrights are on a diagonal on the page, and I want mine to look like that as well, so I'm just going to fool around with the orientation of this until I get it perfect. Alright, so once you've gotten that right, you're going to change your text to red. Then you're going to lower the opacity down to about 15%. And there you go. Now you're ready to download as a PDF, and you've got your watermark page. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.